Hey, hello guys, my name is Alan, and with the R6 today we're going to talk about quad lock. We have bought a quad lock set for an iPhone XS, so that's what I have. So I'm going to fit this one to my R6. But before I do that, we're going to talk a little bit about what we have here. So we have iPhone XS case. So got instructions how to put it on this. I mean, it's very straightforward. Any clips on and twist. So I'm going to leave that there. Here we have basically this is a screen, kind of a screen protector or dust cover or mud cover, things like that, for the whole thing. So this one will go above the cover. Now we have the vibration dampener. This is pretty much universal, will fit with any quad lock systems. So this is the main, this is the strongest and most secure and versatile mounting system. So it's very easy to attach, very easy to fit. It's compatible with all the quad lock cases. So will any phone cases and universal cases, whatever, it will fit on that adapter there. So as you can see, this one comes in blue. So black and blue. Well, my R6 is black with a little bit of red, so I bought a red lever for it. Alright, so we're gonna change that in a minute. And also I bought a knuckle adapter. Not sure if I'm gonna need it, however, you never know. If I change my phone or change the bike or whatever, I can take that with me and maybe put it a different place, whatever. Right, so let's start with this one. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Alright, so as you can see here, this is what you get in that box. Okay, so the lock, the actual lock for the phone case, the handlebar adapter, an Allen key, and two more inserts in case that is too small, you got a bigger one, or if that is too big, you got a smaller one. So that is that, and also you get instructions and stickers. Chase the horizon. Hey! Eat, sleep, ride, repeat. I like that one. Outside is free. Lovely. I love those stickers. So we're gonna put that back there for the time being. So here we have that lock lever. So we're gonna replace that. As I said, my bike is black with a little bit of red, so nothing's blue on the bike, but I'm gonna change that with this red one. So we need that Allen key. Right, so ooh, that was easy. So firstly we need to remove the knuckle, the actual hex bolt. So once you remove that, this one lifts up. So when that lifts up, you need to pinch this spring, and that literally comes off, and then this blue bit just comes out. So we're going to put that on the sides. We're going to keep that as a spare just in case this one breaks or whatever. So we're going to put that red one in there. And so once the red lock or lever is in place, we need to put the spring back on. So it's very slippery. I've already dropped it twice. So you put it in there just like so, and springs back in there. We're going to take our lock, so make sure you place it with the word quad at the top, lock at the bottom, and the lever to the right, so you always be able to push it like that. So now we're going to take our vibration dampener. This one's got an Allen key as well. Way too many Allen keys. So we're going to keep that on the original back of the red one. So once that's done, we then take our handlebar connector. We're going to put the steering dampener, the vibration dampener on it, just like so. Take the Allen key, you put the Allen key literally through the hole, make sure you don't damage the thread of the bolt of that. So just tight it in. There you go. So now that's not going to go anywhere. To be fair, I'm not sure how that is going to work. It's just very stiff, very, very solid. Well, that's supposed to be like it, maybe. I don't know. So we're going to tie that just a little bit more, so it feels solid there. And now we're going to take our phone case release and place it there. So now it depends, yeah, so you can see how I've got it. It is so the handlebar is straight and that points to the right. Okay, so I'm gonna take again the Allen key, tie that there, so you can see what's happening. That will release the phone case, that will lock the phone case. So now we're going to take the phone case and try it on. I'll leave that there for a sec. Thing in there. So we have our iPhone XS phone case from Quadlock. Here we have warranty information. So we're gonna take our phone. My phone's already got a case, but that's for outside use, not when I'm riding. So you're going to take the phone and slot it in just like so. Ooh, it's very tight, that is. Ooh, lovely. It actually feels quite good. That feels quite good. So let's try on. Oh, so that's how it's going to look like on the motorbike. So I'm going to take you guys with me outside. I'm not going to talk about the knuckle because I'm not going to use it. So basically this one, if you fancy, I don't know, put it in a different angle, maybe you can adjust the angle of it. But I'm not gonna bother with it, so I'm gonna take you guys with me outside on the bike, and we're gonna fit that. So, as I've explained earlier, we're going to fit this quad lock phone holder to this Yamaha R6. Usually motorbikes, they have space on the handlebars, okay? So mine, obviously, as you can see, there is no space, not even a hole there to fit one of those quad locks, different quad locks adapters. So however, as I've explained earlier, I have a steering dampener. I will fit this to my steering dampener there somewhere. Actually I'll probably put it on this side so I can have access to the key. Otherwise, if I fit it there, then it's going to be in the keyway, so I'll probably going to fit it there. As you can see, that's how it's going to look like. So that's how it's going to be. If you look on this side here, the Allen key bolt is right under the arm. So if you do have it there and you go out, but you take your phone with you and you leave this on the bikes, people can't really get with the Allen key in there to get it, or indeed they can't really take it off your bike. I leave it on this side, yeah, it will be easy just to slide out and people can take that. They are quite expensive, so I will fit it there, but in order to get to that Allen key bolt, I need to undo this one. So best way of doing it is obviously take this off completely, so it's nothing in the way interfering with what you actually doing. But be careful, don't lose that little bolt there. So I'm going to put it just here on the seat. So this clamp, it's got this medium size rubber which goes around just like that. So what I'll do, I'll put it through this steering dampener. Here we go, just like that. The bolt there. So I'm gonna, as you can see, nothing stops or nothing interferes in the way of that. I will find out to see if that will interfere with the phone case actually, but I'll find out that in a minute. I'm gonna tighten this very much, so solid. Right, we're going to take now the lock, going to put it there, place it properly, so make sure you don't cross thread it. So line it up, make sure it's straight. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that is solid. Now I'm going to take the phone. Here we go. That is actually quite nice. So no, lovely. Doesn't interfere with anything. So what you can do, obviously, you go to your maps and put a postcode, go somewhere, and yeah, pair it with your Bluetooth in your helmet, and you can see where you're going on a sports bike. So here we go. That's how he looks. Quad lock, handlebar connector on a steering damper on an R6. Looks quite good. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, and don't forget to click that little bell for the future videos. Thank you. Ride safe. Ride with me. Hey.